How to fix. Unfortunately, camera has stopped on Android. An error like this can hardly occur because of the hardware. It is usually the software that is responsible for it. We will discuss all the solutions starting from the very basic one, and then we'll move to the more complex fixes. Solutions for unfortunately camera has stopped. Solution 1. Restart the camera. Your Android device can show this error at times when the camera has been in use for a long period of time. Simply exiting the camera, waiting for 30 seconds and then restarting the app by tapping on the app icon is all it takes to fix a problem like this. When you encounter unfortunately camera has stopped working error, this is the best way to resolve it quickly. However, the solution may be temporary, and if the problem reoccurs too frequently, then you must try the other solutions listed here. Solution 2. Restart the device. Restarting the phone can often fix simple app glitches which may create a problem in the application. Usually, when a problem is fixed by a restart, it is difficult to trace the actual cause of the problem. If the camera has stopped working without any reason, then a restart is a quick and easy fix. However, if your Android device continues to show the same error, then the problem may be more than a glitch. It can be a corrupted file or an update which may be causing this. Solution 3. Clear the camera cache files. Your camera's cache stores the files which help the camera app to work faster. Cache files are created for ease of use and better user experience. However, sometimes these cache files may get corrupted and it can start bringing up errors which will not allow you to use the camera. To fix the problem, we can clear the cache files. You will not lose any important data in doing so. The only thing you may notice is that the next time you open your camera app, it will take some time to load. 1. Go to the settings menu of your device. 2. Head to the app sections and tap on Application Manager. 3. Swipe to the left of your screen till you are under the Alt tab. 4. Now look for camera and tap on it. 5. Tap on Force Stop to end the application. 6. Then tap on Clear Cache. You will notice that the cache files will be instantly deleted and the space taken up by the cache files will return to 0. Now open the camera once again and check if the problem is fixed.